Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your Instagram stories to your highlights. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and log in your account. And now you want to go to your profile by clicking your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. And here, as you can see, there's this plus sign at the middle part of my screen. So I just want to click on that. And now you can choose any stories that you had that you want to put on your highlights. So for example, I'm just gonna want to put this one, and when you're happy with the stories that you chose, just go ahead and click next at the upper right corner of your screen. And now you can just go ahead and put the name of your highlight and click add. So now, as you can see, I have the highlight on my profile. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.